Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Solutions Architect Professional SAP. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SAP is: what is the difference between Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployment and Amazon RDS read replica? Your answer should be: Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployment provides synchronous replication across different availability zones for high availability and automatic failover, while Amazon RDS read replicas are asynchronous replicas used for scaling read operations. Our next interview question is: explain the differences between Amazon S3, EBS, and EFS. Your answer should be: Amazon S3 object storage used for storing and retrieving data. Amazon EBS provides block storage volumes for use with EC2 instances, and Amazon EFS offers scalable file storage for use with EC2 instances. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure data security in Amazon S3? Your answer should be: data security in Amazon S3 can be ensured through various means such as bucket policies, access control lists ACLs, IAM policies, encryption, that is server side and client side, and versioning. Our next interview question is: what is the difference between Amazon CloudFront and Amazon Route 53? Your answer should be: Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network CDN service used for caching and delivering content globally with low latency, while Amazon Route 53 is a scalable domain namespace name system DNS web service used for routing end users to internet applications. Our next interview question is: explain the differences between Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon RDS. Your answer should be: Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service designed for scalability and performance at any scale, while Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service offering several database engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. Our next interview question is: what are the benefits of using AWS Lambda? Your answer should be: AWS Lambda offers benefits such as serverless computing, automating scaling, cost effectiveness, pay per use model, reduced operational overhead, and support for multiple programming languages. Our next interview question is: how can you optimize costs in AWS? Your answer should be: cost optimization in AWS can be achieved through strategies like right-sizing instances, using reserved instances, leveraging spot instances, optimizing storage, enabling auto-scaling, and using AWS Cost Explorer for analysis. Our next interview question is: explain the differences between horizontal scaling and vertical scaling. Your answer should be: horizontal scaling scale out involves adding more instances to distribute the load, while vertical scaling scale up involves increasing the resources of an individual instances, for example CPU and RAM. Our next interview question is, what is an autoscaling group in AWS? Your answer should be, an autoscaling group is a collection of EC2 instances that are managed together and automatically scaled based on predefined conditions on metrics. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.